The Facebook page of Tripura in the name of Bubagra was hacked. Several bad content has been posted in this Facebook page after getting hacked. As such, the members of Tripura registered an FIR to the SP of Crime Branch on Thursday evening. In order to bring unity among the people of the state through social media, a Facebook page was created by Tripura in the name of Bubagra in view for the coming election. However, on the last September, after clicking the button of an unknown notification link, this Facebook page has gone under someone's control. After that, many false messages has been sent to the people through the this page. Likewise, several bad content has been posted through this Facebook page. As such, the members of Tripura registered an FIR to the SP of Crime Branch on Thursday evening. CWC Committee Member Kumar Jamatia, Rajeshwar Debarma, TWF Vice President Ati Jamatia, and other members of TISF were present while making an FIR.
Today we have come here for complaining the cyber crime that one Facebook were using the name of Bubagra, which was hacked today, and it is very serious crime that lot of picture was added in the Facebook. So we complained to the SP Cybercrime to look into the matter, and since it is a Bubagra matter, the Tripura are very serious about this matter, and we appeal to the authority to take into action. And I also request all our friends to be careful, because this trend is very much going on in our state, that the social media and hacking is happening daily routine. So we, on behalf of Tripura, we complain today, and it is very unfortunate that our icon Bubagra, his Facebook, his account was used by our party only, but it was hacked. So therefore, it is very serious matter, and we request on behalf of our party to take into action immediately.
The members of Tripura demanded to recover Facebook page of Tripura as soon as possible. The officials of the crime branch say that the department will immediately investigate this case with all the efforts. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.